Hey mathematicians, let's do your homework. I'm recording this kind of late because I just got back from Fall Fest, so sorry if you were waiting on it, but it's not due till Monday, so here we go. Alright, we did this first one in class, most of us, unless you were in my first period. Sorry, I'll do it for you now. I don't want to draw double number lines. We did not really talk about these. I don't personally really like them. We're just going to draw ratio tables. So we've got burpees and we've got squats. So we've got burpees to squats, 12 burpees to 20 squats. Oh, well, here's the bonus of me recording the homework video late. I'm at home and somebody's scratching on my chair. Oh. Everybody say hi to Piglet. Say hi, Piglet. She's not into this. We're doing math. No, she doesn't want to. She doesn't like math. Girl. All right, so I'm competing with cat butt, but here we are. We've got burpees and squats. Oh, more cat butt. And I want the ratio of burpees and squats in simplest form. So that means I need to simplify these. I can divide them by 2's. And that gives me 6/10. But that needs to be simplified again. So divide again by 2. And that gives me 3/5. Oh, and a new cat butt. This is Mouse. Everybody wants to be in the math video. Say hi, Mousy. Oh, he's busy kicking over my phone. There he is. He's so handsome. Do you need to learn some math? Yeah, because you're not the smartest boy. Well, you can watch the video too. Mouse is going to help us because he needs to learn. Okay, that is our simplest form. Oh, no, he's leaving. 3 to 5. If Melinda did a total, oh wait, we don't know the total. Okay, so we're going to add a total. Burpees plus squats makes total. 12 plus 20 makes 32. 6 plus 10 makes 16. 3 plus 5 makes 8. But we're saying that it's a total of 128. So you need to find a relationship between 8 and 128, which is a times 16 relationship. 5 times 16. Well, maybe we don't know. Maybe we know what 5 times 15 is, and then we can add another 5. 5 times 15 is 75, plus one more is 80. 5 times 15 is 45, but it's not actually 15, it's 16, so we need one more group of 3, which is 48. So our answer here is 48 burpees and 80 squats. Next one. Also not drawing a double number line. We're doing a ratio table. Every time Stefan finished reading and testing on 3 AR chapter books, his mom gave him $15. What the heck? My mom never paid me to do my homework. Well, that's not fair. All right, so we got chapter books. And we have money. We're making a ratio table for them. 3 AR books for $15. We need to simplify it. We can divide them both by 3. And that gives us one book. I was about to say cost. It doesn't cost. One book gets you $5. You cannot just write $5 though. You need a simplified ratio, so you need the 1 still. One book to $5. If Stefan made $75 in September, 75 goes on the dollars section. How many chapter books did he test on? 5 times what number? Oh wait, actually I just did this one up in the last one. We said 5 times 15 gives us 75, so 1 times 15. He must have read 15 books. Next page. In the city of Austin, 2 out of every 5 people own a bike. So when you hear out of every, it's the first number, that 2, that is the number that own a bike. So 2 people have a bike, and 5 is the number of people that they asked in total. Which means that 3 people, because 2 plus 3 makes 5, 3 people were like, no, I don't have a bike. I used to be able to say yes, and then someone stole my bike, so I don't have a bike anymore. Sad. If there are 2,500 people in Zoe's neighborhood, about how many of them probably have a bike? So this is people, it's not with or without bikes, that's our total. these are equal. We're setting a proportion. And you need to find me this number. In McAllen, Texas, 1 out of every 7 streets are named after birds. That means 1 bird street to 7 total streets, which means that 6 streets are named after things that are not birds. If the city of McAllen is made up of 490 streets, that is not talking about bird streets, that's talking total streets. How many are named after birds? You figure out that one. In downtown Portland, Oregon, the ratio of coffee shops to pizzerias is 5 to 2. 5 coffee shops to 2 pizzerias. If downtown Portland has 35 different coffee shops, how many pizzerias does it have? Based on a survey that Jory gave, 18 out of 30 IDEA CP students wear their IDEA jacket in every class except for PE. So that's 18 people who do wear it, 30 total people. 30 minus 18 would give you the number who are not wearing a jacket. Because there's no other option. It must be an IDEA jacket or it's not being worn. If there are currently 360 students at school, how many keep their IDEA jacket on in every class except for PE? And I'm pretty sure that's the last one. Yep. All right, this isn't due till Monday. Hopefully you've already done it and you're just watching this to check the answers, or because you heard that Mouse and Piglet made a cameo and you wanted to see my adorable cats. But if you're watching this, you're watching it on Friday, don't panic. You're not late. Homework is due on Monday. Study for our test, which is also on Monday.